Ninja Baby. When Nina was born, the doctor gently thumped her bottom to make sure she was breathing. Nina karate chopped her right back. "Congratulations," said the doctor, backing away. "You have a ninja baby." Whenever Mom tried to feed her, Nina had already launched a sneak attack. At bedtime, she climbed her crib walls like smoke and vanished. Enchanting times were hand-to-hand combat. Nina did not like to be helped. She wanted to do everything by herself. And she was good at it. She obliterated her applesauce. She concealed herself at bath time. And she was training herself in advanced infiltration. Things were going perfectly until her parents brought home a kung fu master. The master could disarm his captors with a single look. He could force any opponent to carry him. The master never did anything by himself, yet he won round after round after round. Suddenly, Nina realized that for the very first time, she was by herself. She flipped out. Yet, still no one came. She went in search of the master. "What's your secret?" she asked him. He just looked at her. It was like listening to the wind in the bamboo. "Interesting," said Nina. The master stuck out his tongue and gurgled. Now, Nina is mastering baby-style kung fu. And the master is learning the way of the ninja. Their parents will never know what hit them. Or will they?